Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Hyderabad location. It is from Telangana. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there are openings available from Birla Open Minds International School, LB Nagar. So they have vacancies for English or ELA teacher to teach for 5th, 6th and 7th grade. So it is for LB Nagar, Hyderabad location, Telangana. And they are going to offer a salary for this portion is between 25,000 to 40,000 rupees per month. And they required experienced candidates for this position. Minimum 6 years and above years of experience is required in teaching in a reputed schools, and qualification will be graduate or postgraduate with excellent communication is required. If BEd is there, it is an added advantage. So it is for both male and female candidates. So you can check here with the interview process. It will be personal round, demo and HR round. It will be a final round. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is hr.southmf@birlaopenminds.com. Next, second one, there is a job opening for MCB My Class Board Trainer position from the same organization, Birla Open Minds International School. It is located at LB Nagar, Hyderabad. So they are going to offer a salary range between 15,000 to 30,000 rupees per month. Minimum 3 years and above years of experience is required in MCB, My Class Board. So they required graduate candidates or postgraduate candidates for this position, and it is for both male and female candidates. So you can check here with the selection interview process. So if you are interested to apply for this position, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is hr.southmf@birlaopenminds.com. Next, the third one, there is a job opening for Center Head for Pre-Primary, and it is from Birla Open Minds International School, and it is for LB Nagar, Hyderabad location, and they are going to offer a salary range between 35,000 to 50,000 rupees per month, and they required experienced candidates. So the experience will be, applicants must have above 5 years of experience as a center head or pre-primary coordinator, and the candidates from the school background will be an added advantage for this position. So qualification will be any graduation or post graduation with good communication skills with PPTC and NTT and early childhood education. So these are the education qualification details. So please check with the information, and both male and female candidates are eligible to apply for the center head position, and you can check here with the interview process. And if you are interested to apply for this position, then you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is hr.southmf@birlaopenminds.com. Next, there is a job vacancy for mathematics teacher from Birla Open Minds International School, and it is located at LB Nagar, Hyderabad, and they are going to offer a salary range between 20,000 to 40,000 rupees per month for this position. And coming to qualification details, graduation or post graduation with excellent communication is required, and if BEd is done, so it will be an added advantage for this position. And they are looking for experienced candidates, like minimum above 6 years of experience is required in teaching in a reputed schools. So it is for only female candidates. For this position, mathematics teacher position, they required only female candidates. So you can check here with the interview process provided here, and if you are interested to apply for this position, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is hr.southmf@birlaopenminds.com. Next, there are job openings available from CSIR, Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology. Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India. So it is located at Habsiguda Uppal Road, Hyderabad location, and they have vacancy for the position of Junior Secretariat Assistant position, and they are going to offer a salary for this position is 30,000 rupees per month, and it is for only fresher candidates. So coming to qualification details, 10 plus 2 or 12th standard or its equivalent, and proficiency in computer type speed and in using computer typing speed of 35 WPM in English or 30 WPM in Hindi. So these are the qualification details for this position. And coming to skills, the candidate should be having working experience or working knowledge of computers, preferably MS Office like MS Word, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint, etc. So these are the skills required for this position, and it is for both male and female candidates. And it is last date for application process is 5th May 2021, and you can check here with the interview process. And if you want to apply for this position, you can check in the official website link provided here, that is www.ccmb.res.in. Next, there are openings available from housewives. So they have vacancies available for operations manager position, and it is for Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai and Delhi locations. And coming to job description, you need to handle end-to-end responsibility for managing operations in their respective city, coordinate visit with the prospective tenants, conduct a property inspection and ensure complete handover while tenants move in or move out, supervise the work of operations executives working on managing the properties, handle end-to-end responsibility for managing city operations, ensure proper coordination with the owners and handle advertising the property online, coordinate between team property owners and tenants, work directly with the founders of the company. So this is about the job description. So if you want to apply for this position, you can send your resume to the provided mail id, that is careers@housewives.in. Next, there is another vacancy for operations manager position. It is a work from home. And coming to job description, supervise the work of operations executives working on managing the properties, handle end-to-end responsibility for managing city operations, and ensure proper coordination with the owners and handle advertising the property online, coordinate team between team property owners and tenants, work directly with the founders of the company. So this is about the job description. So for this position, and it is for only female candidates, so female candidates are only need to apply for this position. So interested candidates, so if you want to apply for this position, you can send your resume to the provided mail id, that is careers@housewives.in. Next, at last, there is a job vacancy for operations associate position for Mumbai, Pune, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi locations. So you please check with the job description provided here. And if you want to apply for this position, you can send your mail to the you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is careers@housewives.in. Next, there are vacancies available from SRIA International. So it is for Hyderabad location, Panjagota. So they have various vacancies available for HR, accountant, head sales, front office, agents or channel partners, and also they have vacancies for telecallers. So interested candidates, you can walk into the interview on 6th, 7th, 8th April 2021 between 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. So interested candidates, you can check here with the address details and also with the contact numbers. So they have provided here the many contact numbers, I mean 4 contact numbers to approach them. So if you have any queries, you can approach them with the given address details. Next, there are openings available from Green City Estates. So it is for Banjara Hills, Hyderabad location, and they have vacancies for Chief Marketing Manager, Executive CRM Focus Soft, and also Admin Executive position. And it lastly for last one for Admin Executive position, it is for female candidates. So interested candidates, so please check with the all the details provided here, and if you are interested you can walk into the interview with your updated CV on 3rd April 2021 to 30 April 2021. So you need to walk into the interview between the dates provided here from 10:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. excluding Tuesday. So you have to attend to the interview between 10:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. to the provided address details. You please check with the information provided here. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.